Yeah, this is an interesting case. So this is a case that we filed, I would say maybe 6 years ago. And the issue in this case was, in the state of Missouri, every case that you file, you pay a fee of $3, and be this a criminal case or a civil case, you pay a fee of $3 to the Sheriff's Retirement Fund. Now, the Sheriff's Retirement Fund is not what you think. The Sheriff's Retirement Fund is a fund for elected sheriffs and their spouses, not the sheriffs that are in the courtrooms every day or in the courthouses every day or out serving process. These are politicians. So we had this case actually referred to us by a judge, believe it or not. And the judge said, you know, Geordie, there's something wrong here. So we took a look at it. And in Missouri, this case had been looked at before. And basically what the court had said, the Missouri Supreme Court had said, that you cannot charge any fees to the public unless they are related to the administration of justice. And of course, giving $3 to an elected official's campaign and his wife cannot be considered to be involved in the administration of justice. So we filed a lawsuit against the Sheriff's Retirement Fund, which I believe at that time, it's public knowledge, I think was maybe 40 million. We filed the action under unjust enrichment. As you can imagine, they fought it vigorously. In fact, it was a case we had to try, which is very unusual for class action cases, consumer class actions, that you would actually try them. Most of them get resolved prior to that. But we tried it. We tried it for, I think 8 days maybe. Put in all the evidence, which was good. We had numerous depositions. We had a very interesting tape that we introduced into evidence of the Speaker of the House here in Jeff City, in Missouri State Government, who was also a retired sheriff, who at the time this fee was being introduced, kind of threatened the legislature that I will not fund the courts unless they approve this fee. We actually had that on tape, and we were able to get that introduced into evidence in the trial, which was really, really, I thought, pretty powerful. But anyway, we lost at the trial court level, which we expected. We went right to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court heard the case, and the Supreme Court agreed with us. In fact, it was a 6-0 decision in favor of the class that was suing the Sheriff's Retirement Fund. So, very interesting case. Certainly changed how fees are collected in the state of Missouri, and will have an impact on a lot of litigants, especially when it comes to access to our court system. So, it's one of the cases I feel actually really, really good about.